Hi, this is Angelo with the Brothers That Just Do Gutters, and today we're talking about gutter guards. On this gutter, I have a piece of OneGuard installed. What OneGuard is designed to do is to keep all debris out of the gutters except for water. Today, we're going to test out OneGuard and show you how it works. We're water testing this gutter, and as you can see, the water is flowing right down the roof and getting sucked right into the OneGuard. OneGuard protects your gutters from leaves and other debris from clogging up your gutter system. As you can see, the water is still flowing into the gutters even with debris there. Most debris, with the help of a little wind, should fall right off of your roof and off of the top of your gutters. We hope you enjoyed this video, and if you saw some value in it, please subscribe to our channel. Also, leave comments and let us know what other videos you would like to see. If you have questions or concerns of whether your home needs gutter guards, reach out to the Brothers That Just Do Gutters near you. This is Angelo with the Brothers That Just Do Gutters.